Hey kids, ready to meet some amazing animals and hear their real sounds? This is the giant elephant. Trumpet sound. What a loud trumpet. Here comes the tiger, strong and bold. Roar sound. Roar, roar. That's powerful. Jump, jump. It's a funny monkey. Monkey chatter. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Wow! The mighty lion is here. Lion roar. Listen to that royal roar. Can you hear that? It's a howling wolf. A woo! Spooky but cool. Say hello to the friendly cow. Moo sound. Moo, moo. Oh, a cute little pony. Neigh sound. Neigh, let's run. This little pig loves the mud. Oink, 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 oink. So funny. Boing! It's a jumping frog. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. It's a sneaky crocodile. Growl or splash. Careful, it's strong. If you had fun, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye-bye.